The stopper plate is the piece that the workpiece rests against when making a cut. It is attached to the gear housing. After years of use, the stopper plate may become bent. If you drop the saw, the stopper plate can be bent or even broken off. Replacing the stopper plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The stopper plate is attached to the saw with 2 screws. Those screws are attached to nuts that slide inside a channel, allowing you to adjust the stopper plate up or down. I'll start by removing the screws. Now I can install the new stopper plate. I'll place it onto the housing and align it with one of the nuts. The challenge is to get the screws started because the nuts tend to move around in the channel. Once I have one of the screws started, I'll align the second nut and install the screw. Once I have both the screws started, I can adjust the stopper plate to the position I need for the work I'm doing, and then tighten the screws down. And that's how easy it is to replace the stopper plate on your portable bandsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.